A. A means एक. Able. Able means योग्य. About. About means के बारे में. Above. Above means ऊपर. Abuse. Abuse means गाली देना. Absolute. Absolute means शुद्ध. Accept. Accept means स्वीकार करना. Absolutely. Absolutely means बिल्कुल. Accident. Accident means दुर्घटना. According. According means अनुसार. Accurate. Accurate means शुद्ध. Achieve. Achieve means प्राप्त करना. Achievement. Achievement means उपलब्धि. Acknowledge. Acknowledge means स्वीकार करना. Across. Across means आर पार. Action. Action means कार्य. Active. Active means सक्रिय. Activity. Activity means गतिविधि. Actor. Actor means अभिनेता. Actress. Actress means अभिनेत्री. Actual. Actual means वास्तविक. Actually. Actually means असल में. Ad. Ad means विज्ञापन. Add. Add means जोड़ना. Addition. Addition means योग. Additional. Additional means अतिरिक्त. Address. Address means पता. Adjust. Adjust means समायोजित करना. Adjustment. Adjustment means समायोजन. Administration. Administration means प्रशासन. Administrator. Administrator means प्रशासक. Admire. Admire means प्रशंसा करना. Admission. Admission means प्रवेश. Admit. Admit means स्वीकार करना. Adopt. Adopt means अपनाने. Adult. Adult means वयस्क. Advanced. Advanced means उन्नत. Advantage. Advantage means लाभ. Adventure. Adventure means साहसिक कार्य. Advertising. Advertising means विज्ञापन. Advice. Advice means सलाह. Advisor. Advisor means सलाहकार. Advocate. Advocate means वकील. Affair. Affair means मामला. After. After means बाद में. Agree. Agree means इस बात से सहमत. Agreement. Agreement means समझौता.